Hello.
Where are you?
We're filming the podcast.
There's like 1,000 birds in that tree. That's crazy. At the Theater of Marcellus, and we're gonna do our last seminar. Yeah.
Led by me and Caleb.
Cool.
Just finished our last seminar ever in Rome. It went pretty well, and now we're gonna get lunch. And in Studio 2. All the birds are in the tree. The bird season's starting. Also, I didn't get a lot of footage today, but we just did studio.
There's like 1,000 birds in that tree. That's crazy. The tree's moving from how many birds are in it. Are you hearing this? Is the vlog catching how noisy it is right now? What the hell? That's crazy.
I thought it was fake. I thought it was like a stereo or something.
It's like the apocalypse. I think we're about to die.
It's like a movie about birds that like come and eat you, like peck your eyes out.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
They're all in one tree.
Is that the start of the apocalypse?
If you try to climb that tree, you'd be dead.
You would die.
You
They
would
peck your
die.
eyes out.
That's a big government mess up right there. I'm telling you.
We just finished studio and we're gonna go leave to watch the movie. It's about the mafia.
Yeah.
Tony's got her pizza.
I got my pizza on. Cold pizza, but still tastes good. And is it based on a true story?
I think so.
No, Paul, you're supposed to be candid.
What's up, vlog? We're coming. We're just like filming B-roll for our video project.
What's up, vlog?
Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
Subscribe button.
People walking here.
Yeah.
This is the piazza. Wait, do you want me to keep it going? Okay.
I'm just keep it going for a second, just in case.
What? Here. We're at, oh man, I did not do that.
Hey guys, we just got back from the hot tub or spa. We were in the sauna. The gym that I go to has a sauna. Oh shoot, what's going on over there? That's just normal piazza stuff.
Normal piazza for Lisa.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's
we were just at the sauna.
It was so nice.
We got to use Paul's last guest pass of the entire program.
I know.
I feel incredibly honored that I was invited.
It was so warm. It's so nice. I love the sauna. Good morning. It's bright and early on Thursday, 7:26. We don't have class until 2. We only have Italian, but we're gonna go to the catacombs today. It'll be fun. I want to make breakfast real quick before we head out, and then after the catacombs, we're gonna visit the Renzo Piano building again. I want to buy the Debussy sheet music book, even though it's a little pricey. I really want the prelude. We're at the catacombs. We're not in it yet, but Gwyneth just got. So we bought our tickets, and they were like, so 2 adults and 1 child. And then we were like, I was like looking at Gwyneth and was like, sure. And then he was like, how old is Gwyneth? And then Gwyneth just said 16. And he was like, really? That old? And then we could have gone younger. And then we said 13. And then we bought the tickets. Unfortunately, there's no recording and no photography, so we will see you after. Hey vlog. We just finished with the catacombs. We're walking back now. We missed the 7:16 bus, but we're now taking the 30 because we don't want to wait like 28 minutes. But the catacombs were really cool. Okay. There's a lot of grave robbing that was there. They only left like the kids and like a lot of rich people and like marble. Yeah, Priscilla.
Oh my gosh. We're photo shooting. She snapped.
We even got the masking tape over there.
Oh my god. I did that. He made a really popular jazz song called Take 5. You probably know Take 5.
I know, dude.
Yeah, he's the one that did it. I'm looking for Herbie Hancock, but he's not here. But I saw him live, and that was really cool. Little jazz. The speaker system. Oh. This is a cool screening room. You got the mid mod.
Mid mod.
Welcome to the Paulcast.
The podcast.
The podcast.
Paul the podcast. The
With our special guest star.
Yeah? Marilyn Monroe.
No, I'm me.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Our special guest, Dahlia the...
Dame Dahlia von Poltra. Okay, so I studied at the University of Tram von Paul, where Paul VIII has taught me. Actually, he's right over here. He has been teaching at this university for almost 1,500 years. He specializes in tectonicness. Would you like to go into that?
So tectonicness is the human transition into the mind. As humans, we have a lower perception of C minor chord extending into 13th.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Exactly. But I think on the contrary, if you go into B flat, that's how you really see Le Corbusier and how he really takes that but splits it up. He splits the B and the flat.
Oh, just like Bourdain.
Exactly.
Just like Bourdain's theory.
Exactly.
Yeah. And the pentatonic theorem. Achieved that yet in my 50,000 years of teaching.
Oh, 15,000. I thought it was 1,500. My bad.
No,
I'm receiving a phone call.
Oh shoot, who you got?
Oh, from Sam. Oh, hello. Hello.
Where are you?
We're filming the Paulcast.
Yeah, we're doing a podcast.
You're doing a podcast?
Yes.
So we're doing it to the Live of Rome.
Yes.
Turn up to like FM 563.
What the fuck are you guys talking about?
We're doing a podcast.
Podcast.
Okay, where are you?
We're by the we're next to the gallery close.
When you can keep a straight face saying that, I'll believe you.
Doodles.
So thank you for joining for our podcast.
Yes, would we like some final words on the thoughts of Carlos Carper's work?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He said, bye. A little tiny.
He said, look at this bread. It ain't bread. Look at it. Who's this?
Do a clap. Let's do a clap.
Welcome to the Paulcast episode 2. Today we have a special guest.
It's not Paul Cast anymore, it's Sam Cast.
Oh, interesting. Takeover.
No, I'm taking over.
That's what I just said.
We're on the bus going back home from prison food. It dumped on us for like 5 seconds and then it stopped raining. Now we're on the bus, but it's not raining anymore.
And with that, we concur with the existential crises of travertine. What are your thoughts?
Travertine.
Yes.
Good rock.
Okay, toodles, bye.
Good morning, guys. It is Friday. It's really cool. We're heading to Italian. And then, I don't know what I'm going to do after that. Probably at lunch, get some stuff. And then I'm going to go to Copenhagen.
It's gonna be colder than this year.
I know. It's going to be so cold.
I wonder if it'll snow a little. It might.
They had their first snow yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Imagine it's like a blizzard when you get there.
Oh, I'd be so scared. But it's so fall today. Fall. Alright, so service station. That's our set of. That's the train station over there. Just got through security and I have to wait till 17:20 for the gate to come out. So we'll wait for that. I'm gonna get dinner. I ordered pasta and then we're gonna eat dinner and then we're gonna go to take the flight. One thing I forgot to mention is I bought Reina chocolate. I don't explain what happened last night. So basically, we're here in Copenhagen. I realized that it didn't have internet, so I connected to the airport Wi-Fi. Christmas trees on the baggage claim. It's so cute. I was walking and I used the app that Reina told me to download, but I didn't understand the check-in, and then I saw that on the app that you can buy tickets for the metro, but I decided to wait until I went to the actual metro in case I missed it. What I realized was the phone didn't have internet because I was too far away from the main airport, so I was like freaking out, and then the metros were like leaving. I bought the ticket on the booth thing. It costed like 30 Danish dollars, whatever they're called. I didn't know which tram to go to because there was 2 on each side, so I just went into like a random one and hoped that it was the one that worked. We just made it off the metro. It was so confusing, especially because I had no internet, so that was scary. But I just jumped on a train and it was the right one. So now we're gonna head to Raina's place. I got to the stop, trying to open the door. I was like, please let me in. It was super cold and I saw some ice particles, so it might snow. Because I couldn't call Reina, and then I asked the bar next door for Wi-Fi, and they was like, oh, you could try this Wi-Fi, or you could go to the 7-Eleven. One thing that I like definitely noticed when coming here is there's so many 7-Elevens. There's like one in every street for some reason. And I went to the 7-Eleven, so. I also realized they don't use euros. That's weird. Good morning, Copenhagen. Basically what happened last night was I ran to the 7-Eleven because I was the only place with Wi-Fi. And then I waited there for a little bit as I called Reina, and then Reina came, and then we walked to her place and we stole some sheets from the couch, like the shared community couch. And I just like slept on the floor, and I gave her a little pistachio chocolate, and then we talked about what we're doing today. So basically, we're gonna go to take a metro for 30 minutes to see a cafe and eat there.
Should I write CPH?
Yeah.
CPH. Oh, that is summer.
Oh.
Or it's snow.
Bjark Ingels student housing. Yeah, it was in second year when we were talking about housing.
Oh.
This was one of the examples I think Brockett showed, because they were doing houseboats. This is what we learned second year in the housing area. Do you have anything to say about this, Reina?
So this is by Bjark Ingels group, and it's student housing made out of shipping containers along the harbor, and the idea is like students can like jump out of their little unit into the water, and it's like really fun. It's a big pride of the fact that like you can swim in the harbor. Most cities you can't really do that, like Paris. So the fact that you can do that here is pretty cool because they've like cleaned up the harbor and everyone can swim, and it's great.
I also learned that to say hi, the Danish people just say hi.
Hi. hi. Hi, hi.
Hi, but with H-E-J.
Yes. But then if you say hi twice, it's bye.
Oh, hi.
Easy.
I just stepped in there. I was, what? Welcome to Copenhagen. Is there usually people here?
I mean, yeah, but it's like closed right now.
Oh.
So it's weird, but I feel like the music makes it seem like
They're just people just like party. Copenhagen. So pretty. I want to take a picture. So that's the Opera House. Henny Larson made that as his final project and he hated it. He wrote a book about why he hated it. And then that's the Amalienborg Palace. And in the church, I don't think we can see, but it's on the same axis. It's completely frozen over. I want to almost like throw a rock in it.
Yeah.
Is that bad? Is that evil?
No, we can do.
Oh, is it?
Whoa.
What? It's like freezing over already.
That's crazy. Wow, we made such an impact. We did that, guys.
Sucks. And she got a bike. Well, she's gonna get a better box.
You were seeing it from far away.
Now it's right there.
I feel like Copenhagen is very much like, they are set in their tradition of design.
What's it called again?
Happy Roman?
Poppy Roman. And what's the black one?
Oh, I actually don't know what the black one
And then this one is the Opera House.
is. Yes.
Frederick's what? Oh.
Oh wait, I was so wrong. I don't know why I said this is not the palace. The palace is in front of it.
Metro. Christmas market. Oh, what palace is this called?
Oh god.
The palace.
I don't remember.
Oh, how's that car gonna get through?
There's like 3, so I always get confused. Which one is
Oh, what?
Christiansborg. Oh, of course, because it's named after the king, Christian.
Oh, this is Christianberg's palace. We're going to the Museum of Architecture. Is it Museum of Architecture?
Danish Architecture Center.
The Danish Architecture Center. Looks like an egg.
We're eating an egg yolk.
But no, this is like a lemon.
Lemon in time.
It's hard.
Oh. Oh wow.
Oh, that's strong aftertaste. It's good.
I'm gonna taste the thyme. Do you taste the thyme?
I taste a little bit at the end. It's weird. It has like a mid taste and an aftertaste right
No.
after.
The lemon's also really subtle.
It's like a strong middle taste.
I feel like the middle tastes like thyme. Thyme and something else.
And then there's an aftertaste.
And interesting. And very chocolatey. Good.
How would you rate it?
An 8. Yeah, I'm going to 8.
I would 8.
Yeah. I'm good.
Remember to stretch your legs and lean back.
Should I go?
Just go.
Okay.
Bye.
God. I'm really
Just go, just go. Oh my gosh. I hurt my knee. Did you hurt
That's what the sound was. I was not expecting that.
it hurt my knee? Christmas market. What's that statue?
What statue?
The horse? hot dog.
Paul trying his first Danish hot dog.
It's just sticking out. Look at this. It's like a hole, and then there's no cut in it. Oh, it's good.
It's good?
But all the condiments at the bottom?
Yeah, it's all in the bread.
I would rate it an 8.
An 8? That's pretty good. Anyways, we're at this amazing Christmas market. So pretty, so fun. Yay! Okay, we're now trying Abelskiver.
I feel like it's gonna be really messy.
Oh.
Whoa. That's good. That's so messy.
Yeah, I know.
No,
Powdered sugar
fine.
just flying on me. Is it good though? Mm-hmm. It's fresh. Amazing. Yay!
Look, we're at the airport. Traditional. Let's say Danish.